Hello class, this is the L5 notes, okay? It's working on converting between systems, okay? So what that means is that we're going to spend this time going between customary and metric, okay? It works the same though, we're still going to use proportions, okay? Just this time we use different conversion rates, okay? So in this case, we're looking for meters to feet. So we look for feet and meters, they're there together, okay? So then I just write it down like before, 1 foot and 0.3 meters. Okay, then I fill it in the other side with matching labels. Okay, cross multiply and divide. Okay, and then 400 divided by 0.3. Okay, remember when dividing by a decimal, gotta move it over so it's a whole number. Add in that 0. Okay, 3 goes in there once. Goes in there 3 times. Oops. Oops, that is still a 1. Celeste is getting too far ahead of herself. Okay, goes in there 3 times, which is 9, minus is 1, and I notice the pattern. Okay, so 1,333.3 repeating feet. Okay, pause the video, try out number 2. All right, you should have tried it just as a quick show. Okay, it's this one. Okay, cross multiply first. And remember, when it's multiplying by decimals, we count how many are behind decimals. It's 2 in this case, so 1, 2. 2.73, gotta divide by that other number, which was a 1, equals 2.73, okay? Because any number divided by 1 is the same. All right, let's take a look at our next set. All right, if you feel good, pause the video, try it out. All right, make sure you come back though when I am on this one, because this one's I'm gonna have a little bit of a trick to it. Okay, if you're still confused, stay with me. Okay, we start with our proportion. Okay, we look over here, we see pounds and grams. So 1 pound, and make sure you don't make this look like a number, okay? And 453.6 grams. Okay, line up my decimals. Okay, cross multiply. Goes over once. Okay, now I'm right here. Right? Now we can use the same method we just used where we set up our proportion, okay, with our 1 pound, and this time we're looking right here because it goes to kilograms. Okay, and I can set my 2 pounds here. All right? But another thing is, I already did it. Okay, so I have my 907.2 grams. If I want to get that to kilograms, goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, so even if the conversion that you need is not on the chart, whoopsies, you could still do it if you can get it to the metric. Okay, so you can still use that proportion, but if I hadn't had this conversion rate on there, I could do this. I could get it to grams, and then I can convert it from grams to kilograms. Okay. Looking at our next page. Okay, again, pause the video if you feel ready. All right, you should feel ready because these are the last 2 I'm doing. All right, so in this case, there we go, my 4 gallons. Maybe I write these first. Okay, gallons and liters. Oh, looky, it's right there. So I'm going to put my 1 gallon and my 3.79. Okay, cross multiply. And it goes over twice because of the decimal. And our last one, I hope you're ready. All right, same thing, set up my proportion. Cups and milliliters, thankfully, is on the list, so I don't have to do anything extra. Right, 1 cup. Okay. I cross multiply. Equals the same thing. But this time I gotta divide it by 236.59. And because this is not a whole number, I do want to make it one. So I move it over 2. I move it over 23,659 and 47,318. I'm gonna guess 2, and I'm right. Okay. So in this case, the 4 is there, and it's 4 cups. Okay. We will practice some more. Have a great day.